Welcome to my Montana vlog, where I spent 3 days exploring some of the top sites and hidden gems in western Montana. So, on a Saturday afternoon, we hopped on a flight from Seattle, landed in Missoula, grabbed some coffee, and made our way up north to our home for the next 2 days, Flathead Lake Hostel. But before we jump into our hostel tour, here's a quick look at our drive from Missoula Airport to Flathead Lake Hostel. It was such a scenic ride. So we are staying in Flathead Lake Hostel, which is right by the lake, and this is probably one of the cheapest spots you can stay near Glacier National Park. Let me give you a tour of the property. It's very cozy, cute, and comes with a beautiful view. That's how we wrapped up our first day, relaxing at the hostel, enjoying a stunning sunset, and digging into some spicy Korean noodles. Day 2 kicked off bright and early. We had a jam-packed, tightly timed plan for exploring Glacier National Park. The park entrance was about an hour's drive from the hostel, and our plan was to get there before the timed entry kicked in, find a parking spot, and catch the first shuttle. I'll be sharing more details about Glacier National Park in a separate video, but for now, here's a quick recap of our day. We started our day at Logan Pass with Hidden Lake Overlook Trail. Next, we hiked two beautiful waterfalls, St. Mary Falls and Virginia Falls. After that, we took a quick break from the heat at St. Mary Visitor Center. We then headed to Sun Point for one last hike to Bering Falls. And the best part, we did it all using free park shuttle. After that, we grabbed our car and explored a few more spots on our own, like Jackson Glacier Overlook, Bird Woman Falls, and finally wrapped up the day with a breathtaking sunset by Lake McDonald. Be sure to watch my Glacier National Park video where I share more details about our day and helpful tips to make planning your trip a whole lot easier. On our third day in Montana, we decided to explore the beautiful shores of Flathead Lake. We stopped by a popular breakfast spot in a little town called Lakeside, just 5 minutes south of our hostel. Known for its great coffee and healthy breakfast options, it didn't disappoint. We grabbed a hearty breakfast bowl, some freshly brewed coffee, and enjoyed it by the lake. After breakfast, we spent some time enjoying the peaceful lake views at Volunteer Park before hitting the road and making our way south to Missoula. Next up on our drive to Missoula, we made a quick stop at the Big Arm access of Flathead Lake State Park. We dipped our feet in the water and it felt so therapeutic that we ended up standing there nearly 30 minutes, just soaking in the views and calming vibes of the lake. The drive back to Missoula was absolutely stunning. Flathead Lake's shoreline and Mount McDonald kept popping into our view, making it hard not to pull over every 5 minutes. Here's a little peek at our drive back to Missoula and a quick stop at a scenic pullout where we got an incredible view of Flathead Lake's southern shores. We also made a quick stop at Huckleberry Jam Factory on the way to grab some fresh jam and treat ourselves to a milkshake and pie. And yep, they were so worth it. And just like that, we reached Missoula, enjoying our milkshake and stunning sceneries all the way there. In Missoula, we had just a few places on our list, and two of those were definitely food spots. We had our eyes on two local favorites, one known for its award-winning pizza and the other for its sandwiches. And to save time, we ordered both to go and quickly headed to Caras Park to check out the historic carousel and enjoy our pizza while watching people kayak along the river. That's how we wrapped up our short getaway to Montana. A trip filled with adventures, stunning views, scenic hikes, wildlife sightings, and a delicious food-filled finale. Oh, and by the way, we brought the sandwich back and had it for dinner. Stick around till the end of the video to catch my reaction. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also follow me on Instagram for quick travel updates and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to Backpacking with My Lens for more such itineraries and recommendations.